am Chavan Nikita. Today's my topic is the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system can be thought of as the transport system of the body. This system has three main components: blood vessels, blood, and heart. Then the heart is systems pumps, and the blood vessels are like the delivery routes. The blood can be thought of as of a fluid which contains the oxygen and nutrients of the body needs and carries the wastage which needs to be removed. The structure and function of the heart, the function and location of the heart. The heart jobs to pump blood around the body. The heart is located in between two lungs. It lies left of the middle of the chest. The structure of the heart is the heart is muscles about the size of a first fist and it's roughly cone shaped. It is about 12 cm long and 9 cm across the broadest point and about 6 cm thick. The pericardium is a fibrous covering which wraps around the whole heart. The whole heart is in place but allows it to move as it beats. The wall of the heart itself is made of the special type of muscles called as the cardiac muscles. The chamber of the heart has two sides, the right sides and left sides. The heart has four chambers. The left and right side each have two chambers. The top chambers and the bottom chamber. The two top chambers are known as the left and the right. It's called atrium. Then atria receive blood from different sources. The left atrium receives blood from the lungs and the right atrium receives blood from the rest of the body. And the bottom two chambers are known as the left and right ventricles. The ventricles pumps blood out to different parts of the body. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs, while the left ventricle pumps out of the rest of the body. The ventricles have much thicker wall than the arteria, which allows them to perform more work by pumping out blood to the whole body. The whole body. Then the blood vessels are tubes which carries the blood from one point to another part of the body to carry the nutrients, oxygens and minerals to provide the all part of the body. And the blood vessels are tubes carries blood. The veins are blood vessels which carry blood from the body back to the heart. Then the arteries are a body which carries blood from to the body, heart to the body. Then there are also macroscopic blood vessels which connect arteries and veins together, called capillaries. There are a few main blood vessels which connect different chambers of the body of the heart. And then the aorta is the largest artery in our body. The left ventricles pump blood into the aorta, which then carries it to the rest of the body through smaller arteries. The pulmonary trunk is the large artery which carry the ventricles pumps into the splits into pulmonary arteries which take the blood to the lungs. Then the pulmonary veins takes blood from the lungs to the left atrium. All the body veins in our body drain into the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. These two large veins then take the blood from the rest of the body into the right atrium. Right atrium. Then the valves are present. Valves between the arteria and ventricles are known as the left ventricles. The valves are two respectively. Otherwise, the right ventricles are arterioventricular valves, otherwise known as the tricuspid and the mitral valves respectively. Valves between the ventricles and the great arteries are known as the between the ventriculars and the great arteria are known as the semilunar valves. The aortical wall is found at the base of the aorta, while the pulmonary wall is found the base of the pulmonary trunks. There are also many valves found in the veins throughout the body. However, there are no valves found in any of other arteries besides the aorta and pulmonary trunks. The cardiovascular system refers to the heart and blood vessels and the blood. The blood contains oxygen and nutrients which your body need to survive. Then body takes essential nutrients from the blood. Then the same time of the body dumps waste products like carbon dioxide back into the blood, so they can remove. The blood is the veins is a low in oxygen, so it has been taken out by the body. High carbon dioxide has unloaded it back into the body, back into the blood. The main function of the cardiovascular system is therefore to maintain blood flow to all parts of the body to allow it to survive. Veins deliver blood from the body back to the heart. The right atrium pumps blood into the right ventricles. Then the right ventricles pumps blood into the pulmonary trunk through the lungs, through the pulmonary veins and arteries into the lungs, pulmonary arteries and into the lungs, and then the lungs, the blood picks up oxygen that we breathe in and gets rid of carbon dioxide which we breathe out. The blood it becomes rich in oxygen which the body can use. From the lungs blood drains into the left atrium and it's then pumped into the left ventricles. Then the left ventricles then pumps into the oxygen, so reach blood out into the aorta. When then it's become main arteries branch of aorta and take blood to specific parts of the body are carotid arteries, coronary arteries, hepatic artery, mesenteric artery, renal arteries, and femoral arteries, which take blood to the legs. The body is able to use the oxygen in the blood to carry out its normal function. The blood will again return back to the heart through the veins and the cycle is continued. Thank you.